one of the challenges of using seawater inside the processes of coastal installations is that when you consume seawater directly from the sea, you have the surprise that some of the marine life will actually come inside your systems and start living there. Here we have some pictures as examples. The first and the last picture, we have the pipelines that were completely fouled by mussels, and in the middle here is a pretty impressive picture where the pipeline was completely consumed by barnacles. So once this is installed inside the pipeline, it's very, very difficult to get it removed. So it's better you disinfect before you have any problem like this.